Hey guys, it's your pal Dave from notesandvolts.com, and Christmas is in the air. How do I know? I just got a super cool package from my friends at PCBWay. PCBWay has been kind enough to sponsor this channel for a year now, and it really helps out, and it's been really great working with them. One of the cool things is they go above and beyond and send you fun little packages like this. I don't know what's in it, so we're going to open it today and find out. So thank you to all the folks at PCBWay, and especially Elaine, who is their overseas marketing manager, and all the people who work with PCBWay have talked to Elaine, and she's always fantastic, and I know she goes out of her way to do things like this, and it's a lot of work. So thank you, Elaine, and thank you to everyone at PCBWay. All right, let's open this thing up. It's a special time, it's a nutty time to open a gift from PCBWay. Ooh, there we go. All right, so the first thing we got is, looks like a card. It's even got a special PCBWay seal, look at that. Oh, it's even got my name on it. That's so nice. So look at that. It's hard to believe it's already been 2 years since we first met. Wow, where's the time go? Thank you so much. Okay, what's next? Oh, look at this. It is a mouse pad. Computer accessories. Look at that. PCBWay mouse pad with wrist rest. Very nice. And a PCBWay keyboard wrist rest. Look at that. Isn't that cute? All right, next up we got, it looks like a what do you call this? A lanyard. Is this a lanyard where you hook your ID badges? That is very cool. Thank you very much. And we got a, oh, is this a PCBWay? Is this a neck pillow? Look at that, it folds up. Oh, look, yes, it's one of those sleeping neck pillow things where you can sleep on the airplanes. Oh yeah, this is great. I'm just gonna wear this. All right, there we go. And we got a normal PCB lanyard. That is great. So a festive one and an everyday one. Oh, look at that. This is so cool. It is an ID badge, a PCBWay name badge with my channel name. That is, oh, this is my favorite thing. Hang on, let me see if I can wear this. Look at that, it's got a magnet on the back so you don't have to put a hole in your shirt. That is brilliant. We have got a, looks like a PC board Christmas ornament. It looks like you put a battery in there and it probably lights up. It's got some LEDs. Very nice. I got a Christmas tree that can go on. And it looks like we got another ornament. This is another circuit board with batteries and it lights up. A little Christmas tree. That's cute. Look at that. And what is this? Oh my goodness. We got a big PCBWay pillow. Merry Christmas 2024. And I think this opens up. Yeah, it's got a zipper, so it opens up, and there's probably a whole blanket in here that you can get into. That is beautiful. Thank you so much. Wow. We got some assorted stickers. Little PCBWay assorted Christmas stickers. Look at that. Very nice. Beautiful. And finally, we got, wow, look at this. We got a giant tumbler. Look at this. My God, what a beast. This is a PCBWay, one of those non-spillable drink tumblers. This is, man, I'm gonna fill this up with coffee. I'm gonna be awake for like 4 days. That is really cool. Wow, thank you so much. That is, I don't even know what to say. That is so nice. So there you go. It's the 2023-24 PCBWay Christmas gift package for the affiliates. I don't know what to say. Thank you again to PCBWay for helping this channel out as much as you do and going the extra mile with all this cool stuff. I'm covered in PCBWay swag. So anyways, once again, thank you Elaine and PCBWay, and have yourselves a great holiday season, and I'll talk to you all very soon.